Today I'd like to introduce our Minitank. The supplier is Maze, and there's really two key components to the tank. One is the tank itself. It's a 310 litre tank. It's really in our range, it's the entry level tank before you'd be looking at larger poly tanks or some of the steel tanks we sell. And as an optional extra, it also comes with a stand. How do you install the tap? Well, it's a 25mm tap and there's two circles on the tank. What you actually do is you do multiple small drill holes, 4 to 5mm on the inside of the outer circle, and then with a larger drill bit you drill those out and just carefully round out the hole, as you'll see. A really good tip is to lie the tank down, don't do it standing up, gives you a lot more stability. And one other feature about the tank that I didn't mention before is the stand, which I spoke to, but the benefit of the stand is it's actually at bucket height, so if you wish to fill a bucket up, it's a great tool to have. When installing the tap, it actually has a really good rubber washer, so that goes on the outside of your tank. And then when you're fitting the final nut, you can pretty much do that up finger tight the whole way on the inside of the tank. For the last couple of turns, I'd use a pair of multi-grips or a shifter just to get it nice and tight without cracking it. Don't overturn it. I guess one of the last tips is we've installed the tap into the tank. How do you actually get the water in? Well, we really replicate the same process. So whether you're using a round or a rectangular or a square downpipe, simply mark your hole, drill out your hole, maybe use tin snips if you need to, and drop your downpipe in, and just replicate that process for your overflow as per a standard poly or steel tank, where you put a PVC fitting on the outside for an overflow. And that's how easy it is to really install a tap into a mini tank.